guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we're making flapjacks, and at the rate that flapjacks get eaten in this house, it can't be a one-man job. So I've got a easy recipe that is so easy that you can even involve the kids to help you make it. Luckily for me, I've got a big kid, but I think even the smaller kids will manage. So we're gonna make flapjacks now, and I'm gonna let my big kid walk you through the process. Enjoy.
Hi guys, my name is Katli and today I'll be making flapjacks. Okay, now I'm gonna go fry these pancakes. Now I'm just gonna put in some butter for frying. Roll it around. So now I'm just gonna be pouring in the mix. That's a pretty pancake. And I'm just gonna do like a second one here. Okay, yeah. Hopefully they don't meet in the middle. And it's okay, we'll just cut them. But these are cute, they look like...
No, they don't.
I don't even know. They look like lungs, kind of. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for them to like start bubbling at the top, because that's how you know it's ready to flip. So guys, these were just like so easy to make. You should try them out. And I wish I could show you the best, but my mom made me put all the perfect looking ones. That's official. But yeah, I'm just gonna spread that. And I also made some little pancake bites, and you can put these like for cereal or for little children, so you can just like take it and go. Thank you. And then let's put some raspberries. Make it look all pretty. Oh, can't wait to eat. Okay, yeah. you guys should try this at home. And thank you for watching, and